what's up guys, it's Chris. You're watching Plumbing Explained, and this is Ride Along, our series where you ride along with me in between calls. We talk uncensored, uncut, unedited, just off the top of my head. And yeah, we talk about plumbing normally. Sometimes we do a little motivational speaking, do a lot of different stuff here. So if you like that type of content, if you like what you see, make sure you subscribe, put notifications to on, like the video, and most importantly, comment down below. Let me know, what you liked about the video. Let me know how your day's going, how your month's going. Just talk to me, and I'll reply to you in the next ride along. So today is we're in August, first week of August. It's a Thursday. It's been a little bit of a rough day, but not too bad. I just passed an inspection. Had some other stuff going on, had to rerun a whole bunch of different PEX lines, so I'm happy about all that. I just wanted to talk to you guys about what I think is the best sales tactic when talking to customers, when presenting, when you're trying to make a sale with a customer. I think that the best thing you can do is present them options, okay? Like a good, better, best option. So you give them like a bare minimum option, like this is what I can do for you just to get you by. Like, I don't know what your budget is like, I don't know how much money you have, and I don't even want to speculate on that. It's completely up to you. And that way you take the guesswork out of it for them. You educate them, they get an idea of like what the work's going to entail, and they become part of the decision making. It's not just all on you. For a long time in my career, I used to just tell people, this is what we're going to do. A lot of people just want to hear, how are you going to fix this, right? And I would present them one option. This is what we're going to do. This is how we're going to fix it. And it's going to cost this much. Well, now I like to present my customers 3 options, sometimes more than 3, but at least 3. And I'll tell them, like, here's what I can do. This is our bare minimum option. I'll bring them a piece of paper, an invoice or something like that with a price breakdown for each option. I'll say, this is option number 1. I can do the bare minimum. We can get the thing stop leaking, this and that, put it all back together, and you'll be fine. Or we can do this. Second option would be, redoing some things, Third option would be starting over brand new, And that way you allow people to kind of make the decision. It's their home, right? A lot of the times we're making the best decision for us, the plumber, which is going to be like, okay, this is going to be the best way to fix this without getting me a callback, right? Like covering your own butt and making sure that the customer is happy, right? But this way, with the options, with giving them like a tiered option, like good, better, best, they become part of the decision making. And if they don't like something, well, they're the ones who decided to have it done that way. So it's not all on you. It takes a little bit of the liability, not so much liability, because you're always going to be liable if you do faulty work, but it takes the liability of the decision making off of you and kind of helps place it evenly on both you and them, because you are the professional. So you're going to be giving them your professional advice on what you think is the best way to do this. And you're always going to want to push for the best option. Look, if your budget allows it, I think you should do this because this is your best option, okay? Completely redoing the whole thing, right? Starting over brand new. That's going to be your best option versus just a quick spot repair, which would be your bare minimum, right? So you do a lot by doing that. And then if they ever come back and say, well, how come you didn't do this? You say, well, I presented you these options, right? You chose not to do that. I didn't choose not to do it. I told you we could do it. We could do it for this price. And, you decided not to do it. That's not on me. So I've grown to love the good, better, best pricing, giving your customers options, and your customers will love it too. So that's about it for this episode, guys. I hope you take care. Make sure you subscribe, like the video, comment down below, please. And I hope you guys are having a great August so far, okay? Take care.